This game I'll show you how to check your screenshot on Minecraft. So it's very simple. As you already know how to take a screenshot, you press two. There we go, a screenshot is saved. So if you want to check the screenshot, it's very simple. You have to close Minecraft, not completely. Go down here and search for run. Then open it. Then search for percentage app data percentage, and then okay. Go to open this, look for Minecraft, then just go to user, first one, games, and then look for screenshots, open, and you find all your screenshots in here. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please drop a like below.